Good morning, everyone. Let's talk about how to do today's work. Today is, of course, March 2nd, 2021, the second day that we are back in. If you're in Group B, then this work is for you on Friday, March 5th. Today we're going to be finishing the PowerPoint that we started yesterday. So there's a video in yesterday's work called shoot, what did I call it? Let me find it here. If you haven't finished that yet, then start today by finishing that up. There is a notes sheet that goes with it. Let me pull one of those out at least. Looks like this. Okay, there's a notes sheet that goes with those. This will be in Kami for you, and there's a video that walks you through the PowerPoint and helps you fill this out. So make sure that you've done that. Today in class, yesterday in class rather, we were able to get through up to question or part 3. So we'll be finishing part 3 and 4 in class today, and then we'll be talking about the research project that we're going to begin. So let me show you my screen here. Okay, so you will have a document copy of this in Google Docs, and we have the instructions here. It says, over the next few weeks, we'll be creating a report about one career that you think you'll enjoy. This will happen in multiple stages, and by the time we're done, hopefully you will know whether or not this career is right for you. So step 1 is what we're going to be doing today, which is brainstorming ideas for a career. Step 2 will happen next week. That is when we research the career that we choose. That's why we're spending today and yesterday talking about how to find credible, or in other words, usable and helpful sources. And then once we've found some information on that, we will spend some time writing a paper that answers this following question: why is this career right or not right for you? This topic is meant to give you a bit of leeway in how you decide to write it. You might pick a topic in today or the coming week that you think is perfect for you after you continue researching it. But once you start looking at things, you might also find that it's not right for you. So when we go to write the paper, you'll have the option to say, this career is right for me because blank, or this career is wrong for me because blank. Okay, so today I want you to spend some time thinking of, once you're done with the PowerPoint, thinking of a few ideas for what you might want to do as an adult. So you might think, first of all, doctor. Okay, maybe after doctor, you might choose lawyer. Okay, lawyer spelled with an A, of course. Make sure you spell it correctly. So I've just noticed this, and I'm glad that I caught this before creating the document. This shouldn't happen to you. I'm going to go ahead and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just put a number on there. Come on. All right. I guess I'll just leave it that way, and it shouldn't do that weird thing that it was doing, where it was jumping over, automatically indenting. So instead of just writing doctor, see now there it's not indenting. Doctor, lawyer. Okay, I want you to also list a reason. Okay, so we can do this in a full sentence. I think this would be right for me because, or I think I would enjoy this because, and then fill in the blank, because they make bank. And really and truly, that's the only reason anybody becomes a doctor. Of course, let's not use slang here. They make a lot of money. Okay. Hopefully, we all have at least one that isn't like this. Maybe someone will say, I want to be an e-sports player because that's my dream to be really, really good at the video games that I play. Okay, we're talking about dream jobs here, people. There are no wrong answers. So put down 5 ideas, what you think would be something you'd enjoy researching, and 1 quick reason why you think you would enjoy doing that thing. Do that 5 times, and that's all for today. For the rest of the week, make sure that you've done your independent scoop pad assignments. There is no special anything in there this week because we're coming back to school and things are up in the air. So all you have are 30 questions, the PowerPoint from yesterday, and this. This is an easy week. If you have any questions, of course, you can come talk to me. Online students, you may not know this, so let me make sure that you are aware. Between 2 o'clock and 2:30, I will try to have my Zoom open, and if I see that you jump in, I'll let you in and I'll answer any questions. If you're watching this and you're in person, then during that period is also a time when you can, if you're waiting for your bus, say to your homeroom teacher, I'd like to go see Mr. Sullivan, and they can decide if it's something you should come talk to me about in my room, or you can get on the Zoom from inside the building and talk to me that way. Okay? So with that, there's nothing more that I really need to say. I'll go ahead and shut up and let you have the time to work.